Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today, I am going to make some DIY glittered art. Now, these are the items that I plan to use for this project. I used a tarp to protect my table. Did not want paint or glitter on my table. It contains it in the space. I have some foam brushes that I love to use. I always keep quite a few of them in my home. I picked up these brushes as well from Hobby Lobby. I have some pink craft paint. Some gold craft paint. Some white acrylic paint. And this big tube we picked up from Ross. I have some clear gel tacky glue. I also have some adhesive spray. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. Had all these items already in my home, by the way. And this glittered fine glitter in gold. I also picked up this glass deco stones, but I ended up not using them on this project, so I plan on doing another one using these. I picked them up in the clear, and the other one was like a tannish color. So this is basically all you need to have. So basically this is all you need to have for a art project. Now also, your canvas, of course. Now if you don't have a new piece of canvas, you can paint over an old one. Right here I am priming out an old piece of art canvas. And here is how it looks. Yes, you can see a little bit of the artwork that's underneath it, but it's okay because you're going to paint over it. Now I'm going to go in with my pink paint, and I'm just going to spread it on or squirt it on out of the bottle. Then go in with my sponge brush and start moving the paint around on the canvas. Then I start making little peaks at the top. With the foam brush, I turn the foam brush sideways, and you can see I'm making little peaks. And I ended up putting 2 coats of paint every time I put paint on this canvas. Now I'm going in with my gold paint. Now I wish I would have did the gold before the pink, okay? And I pretty much did the same thing as I did with the pink. And again, the pink and the gold needed 2 coats. Trust me, it looks a little messy right now, but wait till you see the finished product. Now, after putting on the 2 coats of the pink and the gold, I'm ready to add some shimmy, some glam with this glitter. I love this glitter because it's fine, it's not really chunky, it's really small. And again, I thought about using the glass and then I decided not to use it. So I'll save it for another project. So I'm going to use this clear gel tacky glue. And I'm going to apply it just like I did the paint on the gold parts of this artwork. Take my foam brush, I'm going to spread it around on the gold part of this piece, making sure it's smooth. Here's the fun part, adding the glitter to this piece. Look at that sparkle. OMG. This is so pretty. Now I'm going to take that spray adhesive or that spray and I'm going to go over this glitter, making sure it stays on the artwork. I do not want any fallout. And trust me, it does dry clear. Now I'm going to go in with the white paint, taking a little brush, and I'm going to add little white strokes on the pink. And here's how it looks after I added the white. Are you ready for the reveal? Well, here it is in place. This looks amazing in this space. And for the total reveal of this space, stay tuned because I will be sharing this space real soon in a bar cart collaboration that I am co-hosting. If you are interested in seeing another DIY art project that I have done in my home, I will link it in the iCard above. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor and home essentials. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. If you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.